We'll be right back to
Everything Toy Story 3, only in theaters.
Please pay attention to this alert as it is vital to your safety, and your life depends on it. The following message is being transmitted by order of the United States government. A serious and dangerous event is occurring in the country. Throughout the past years, mysterious broadcast signal hijackings originating from the state of Florida have occurred over the past decades, which resulted in people going missing or being found dead. At this time, the broadcast signal hijackings are still being investigated. Most of these TV hijackings have occurred mainly over kids' TV programming channels, particularly Nickelodeon and Cartoon Network. The broadcasts contain disturbing imagery with a red dull entity with a hay-pile head, named Kirk, smiling menacingly at the viewer. Kirk is wanted by the state of Florida for mass child murder, broadcast signal intrusions, and many other serious crimes. He is known to steal the souls of innocent children, and has the power of dream and body manipulation. The entity/TV hijacker is still at large, and hasn't been caught. Kirk is a supernatural demon, TV hijacker, and sadistic child murderer, and should be considered extremely dangerous, and should not be approached by any means. If you're watching children's TV channel programming such as Nickelodeon, Nick Jr., or any specific TV programming that is for children, change the channel to another program, or turn the TV off. If you don't do so, you will face certain death, and will be claimed by Kirk. You will face a slow, painful death, and you will be never seen again. Once you have fallen victim to the Kirk hijacking, you will be tortured or killed by Kirk himself. This message should be taken extremely seriously, and should not be disregarded. If you have any information pertaining to the Kirk entity, submit a tip to the FBI, or your local authorities. To report any sightings of the Kirk entity, please contact your local emergency management agency. Do not call 911, unless you have a life-threatening emergency. Stay tuned for further information on this situation. This message will be relayed statewide depending on the urgency of the situation.
Over and over.
You should probably start running. I'm a victim of Kirk God. Whatever you do,
Stop.
get off!